Just into the newsroom, in fact, where there was carnage on a major highway after a snowstorm caused the pile-up over up to 60 vehicles. It happened in Pennsylvania, where trucks were left as nothing more than burning shell, really. 3 people were devastatingly killed in a huge crash, with at least 20 others injured. And judging by the out-of-control vehicles flying across the icy roads, it's remarkable that the death toll wasn't even higher.